going to show you how to attach the Barefoot to your car now. So we've got a tow bar, regular tow bar on the car, an anti-sway hitch on the caravan, so it's slightly different to normal ones, so we'll just show you how it works. Make sure your handbrake's on, position the ball socket over the top of the tow bar and lower it down gradually with the jockey wheel. You just keep an eye on this yellow button here, and as the tow hitch lowers down onto the car, this button will start to raise up and the handle drops down. Make sure all the weight is now onto the vehicle, that the yellow button is up. You can now push this down and check that this arrow is pointing into the green. That is now hitched to the car, so you need to make sure that the jockey wheel is in a safe place for travelling. So you undo this, position the two slots so that they can be wound into the correct position there. Pull the jockey wheel up out of the way and lock it into position with that. This is a breakaway cable, so if for any reason the caravan comes detached from the car, this will apply the brakes. This needs to be wrapped around the tow ball and attached on itself. We have a 13-pin plug on the caravan, slightly different to the 7-pin plugs that people may be used to. So this is plugged into the electric sockets. You make sure that this little tab here locates in the square hole appropriate on the plug there. So you line those two up together, push it into the socket and then turn it through 90 degrees, and that is fully connected. So double check that your yellow button is raised, the arrow is in the green, the jockey wheel is in the raised position, and then you can take the handbrake off. Get a friend or partner to check the rear lights, and then you're good to go. I'm now going to show you how to release the Barefoot from your car when you've turned up at sight. So first thing to do, put your handbrake on, release the jockey wheel by undoing that, lowering it to the ground, tighten that back up, undo your electrics, so in reverse, from connecting them, you turn it 90 degrees and then pull the plug out. Just put that to one side, undo your breakaway cable, set that to one side. You now need to lift this up into a certain position, otherwise it's not going to come off the car very easily at all. So the first step is to pull this up. There's quite a strong spring on it, so just ease it up as it goes. Now the easiest thing to remember is you're trying to get this from this position into that. So you've got to pull the shaft along the length of it, get that into position, and then pull that up to that vertical position and hold it there with one hand while you start winding with the other. Keep your eye on the red button as you did it, attaching it to the car, and that will slowly disappear into the tow hitch. And then just make sure it's clear of the car and you can move the car out of the way. When you're happy and the car's out of the way, you can adjust the height on the caravan using the tow hitch, using the jockey wheel, with this up and down to set your level. When you're happy with the level, you can put your corner steadies down and open a bottle of wine.